Happy Friday morning, everyone. This is Beverly Adams, your A&R Program Assistant for the UGA Extension Office in Forsyth County with the beneficial pest of the week, paper wasp. Paper wasps are predatory wasps that have social structure like honeybees with a queen and workers. After a queen has started a paper nest in the spring, the workers take over and they hunt continuously to feed the larvae developing in the nest. They are voracious predators of caterpillars and other insects, but will act as scavengers as well. When a worker finds a caterpillar, they will kill it, chew it up, roll it into a ball for easier transport back to the nest. Hoverflies often mimic the color patterns of these wasps, and that's presumably to gain protection from their own predators. These wasps are capable of stinging multiple times, but that's primarily in defense of their nest. Female paper wasps emerge from the sheltered areas in the spring, and they begin to construct gray, papery, honeycomb-like cells under eaves, overhangs, window sills, open barns, etc. Once the first few cells have been constructed, tiny sausage-shaped eggs are laid, which will hatch in a few days. The female wasp will feed chewed-up caterpillars to her young wasp larvae until they seal their cells and become pupae. Once enough new female worker wasps have emerged, they take over the duties of food collection and nest construction and defense, and while the queen, she'll remain with the nest producing more offspring. During the spring and summer, the nest may enlarge to 6 to 8 inches in diameter with several dozen wasps. This is the time at which the greatest likelihood of stinging exists. So if you look at the photo to the left, you'll see in one cell there is the grub-like larva, and in the next cell is the egg that is the sausage-shaped whitish color, and then you'll see a capped cell containing pupa. Management and control. Remember, paper wasps are actually beneficial insects because they prey on other insects that we consider pests of the shrubs and flowers around our homes. However, sometimes these wasp nests can become a hazard, and they're most easily destroyed in the evening with an aerosol insecticide that is labeled for use on hornets or wasps. If the nest is just beginning with a single queen, a broom may be all that's needed to knock it down. In homes, attic vents should be properly screened to exclude overwintering queens. If they are already present, a total release aerosol may be used on a warm day. Follow the product label instructions concerning how many cans are needed for the size area you're treating. Never exceed this number of units, and always be careful using these products near open flames, and make sure you wear the proper protective gear when spraying these aerosols and when using them. Always read the label. Wasps that somehow enter a dwelling, you can swat those down, step on them, or vacuum them. And fortunately, this is a seasonal problem that will diminish as the nests are established. So that is my beneficial pest of the week, paper wasps. I am Beverly Adams, the UGA Extension Office here in Forsyth County A&R Program Assistant. This is our contact information. If you have any kind of horticulture or agriculture questions or questions questions about 4-H or anything like that, please contact us. We are here to help. Next week I will be back with another video, and I believe it is the disease of the week. So y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you next time.